Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested reading. How are you and your person feeling? You versus them, friends. What are the current energies? What will happen in the future? Of with your person and in this relationship. Many of you requested this reading, friends. Here it is now. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com, friends. Also, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch it, it will gonna help you out. And have you seen your 2022 love and romance pick a card charms reading? It is a very long reading, almost 1.5 hour reading. The links are in the timestamps. I have also done a horoscope readings for 2022. There are many readings I have done for horoscopes. The charms general reading for the whole year for horoscopes, and love and romance readings also for your horoscope for your sun sign. You can check that out also. I will try to link them up somewhere up or in the timestamps. And you can also buy your own personal 2022 readings. Yes, friends, they're gonna be really helpful because big things are coming in the year ahead. So please take your readings, and I'm fully booked right now, so give me time to reply back. I won't take much time to reply back. I'm usually very quick. So yes, please do book your readings. Let's start, friends. Lots of talking done. Let's start. All right. Let's see first how you are feeling, and then you versus them. Let's see first how you are feeling, then how your person is feeling. How is our viewers feeling currently about this person? Oh my god. Death. You are definitely ready for change. You want this person. You're fed up with this person, friends. Absolutely. You want this person to change. Something you want in them to change. Something, maybe there are third parties. Maybe this person is married to somebody else, or you want them to change. Also, you want yourself, some of you are definitely deciding to move on from this person, or you are taking some time away from this person. I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. I do feel some of you are really upset with the way things ended in this connection, or with the way this person may have left you. You are also fed up with that. So I see many messages. Some of you are moving on. Some of you are fed up with the way this person is behaving. Some of you are actually bringing some separation or space between you both. Some of you want this person to change. What else? What? Clarify the depth. Love. You want love, friends. Absolutely. You want love. You don't want this game. You don't want the mind games. You don't want, your needs are simple. You just want love. You want to give love and you want to receive love, and that's so beautiful. And I think that's exactly what this person is not doing, giving you love, giving you attention, or even receiving your love. I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. I think you have kind of accepted, like, yeah, this is it. This is it. You want love. Maybe that's why you're moving on. I'm surprised you're even here. I think curiosity. I think you still feel this connection with this person. That's you. That's why you're reading or here seeing this reading. Let's see how your person is feeling. I'm also feeling very excited. I'm talking also very fast. I feel you're really excited. Our viewers. How your person is feeling right now. Let's see. Ooh, gratitude. I think your person feels a lot of gratitude that they met you, they know you. Yeah. See, they are very grateful to know you. They are really grateful for your love and presence in their life. I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents, but at the same time, they are in doubt. There is some confusion going on with this person. I think they doubt. Maybe they doubt their own feelings, or maybe they are like, they are doubting, can they give you commitment or not? There is some confusion in this person's mind. They are grateful, they do love you, that's for sure, but they are still in doubt. They want you to be patient. This person is like, I need some more time. They are working on their things in life right now. I accept that everything happens in divine order. Yeah, I think this person is like, can you give me some time? And you are like, I'm done with it. Not giving you any more time. Let's see how our viewers are feeling about this person. Justice, oh my god, oh my god, karma. Absolutely. You want fairness in this situation. I think this person has treated you really poorly, really badly. I also feel this person may have hurted you in the, in the worst possible way. Maybe they got married to somebody else, left you behind. Maybe you guys are fighting a legal issue with this person. Whatever it is, you're really upset about the situation. You want justice to be done. You want karma to be settled. Maybe this person is your karmic, or maybe this person is with another person which is a karmic person. A third parties are affecting your situation and you want that to be end, those third parties to be gone, healed. You want justice in this situation. You are done with the way things have been. You want justice from life. You are also like, hey god, hey universe, what are you up to? Why are you testing my patience? I think some of you are also trying to manifest a new love rather than this person. And I think you are right. Four of Swords. Yeah, you are trying to keep distance with this person. You are upset with this person. You are like... Some of you are also waiting for this person, but you are like, this is so unfair. You feel unfair, like what this person is doing. Ace of Swords, yeah, you want a message from this person. You want actual communication from this person. You want like, can you give me clarity? Can you give me a closure? Can you do something? Can you give me a straight yes or no? And this person is like, see, I don't know what to do. This is a frustrating situation for you, and I think that's why some of you have decided to move on, or you have given the ultimatum. Some of you may also be slightly waiting, like, you are like, okay, let's see, let's give them next 3-4 weeks, let's see how it will be. I think you're waiting for communications also. Yeah, Three of Wands. You want this person to commit to you. You want commitment at all cost. You want this person to give you future guarantee or future, like, hey, we'll be together, all those kind of things. You want commitment from this person, and if they are ready to give that, you are happy. If not, you are moving on. The World, yeah, this could be a long distance connection for some of you. I also feel you want this person to move out of their comfort zone and make a move and be clear, communicate with you, express their feelings with you, give you clear message, like, should you move on, should you wait, why are they keeping you stuck? I also feel very strongly third parties are affecting this connection, and you don't like that. You don't like that there are other people coming in between you and this person's relationship. Ace of Cups, you want new love. Some of you still love this person, you do love this person. It's not like you don't love them, but you want this person to take, responsibility, to be mature, to be this hermit, to take, to love you, to not just play games with you or to keep you confused, to communicate, to be responsible, to love you. You have a lot of love for this person, but this person is like, I don't know what to do with it. It's so frustrating. You really love this person, still you love this person. I don't know why they are doing this. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. A lot of Scorpio, Pisces energies there. Star, yeah, you guys feel this was a special connection. You guys were very close with each other. You still feel their presence. You still miss this person. You see them in your dreams. You're very creative. You like to have a relationship which is, fluid, which moves along. But this person is like, he could be very artistic also. You both could be artists, you both could be singers, musicians, or you like similar kind of things, art, music, traveling, paintings, all those kind of things. The night. Now let's see what's going on with this person, your person. What's going on with the person? Three of Swords. Yeah, third parties. This person is definitely hurt, friends. This person is going through the hurt of their life. This person is also probably going through a phase where their heart is closed and they don't know what to do. They may be suffering from health issues, or they may be suffering from some sort of anxiety, depression, or some past, somebody rejection issues. Maybe, they have like their family is not saying yes for you, and that's what is hurting them. What's going on with this person? Five of Swords. Yeah, this person has a lot of communication issues. This person has a lot of trust issues. This person doesn't trust their own self. They have ghosted you, they have blocked you, they have many times broken the promises they have made. This person, I think this person also wants to talk to you, but they are in doubt like what will happen. I think this person analyzes a lot their actions, their emotions, and it kind of goes all the way. Also, I feel this person wants to change, but they are resisting change. Oh my god, look at that. I'm sitting here holding my head. If you noticed, this was your energy. This is your person's current energy. Death, death. Your person is going through some big issues. This person is going through a lot of changes. I do feel they could be going through a dark night of the soul. This person could be your twin flame or a karmic or someone very, very important in your life. I also feel this person is like, this person knows they need to change. They know what they are doing is wrong. They also know that they are on the path towards darkness. I don't know how to say this. They know they are ready for change, but they are not making a change. We'll clarify what it means. What does it mean? Clarify, angels. Knight of Swords. Yes, they want to make a move towards you. They want to come charging towards you, grab you by the back, and take charge of your love life, be with you, love you, and be there for you. But they are resisting that. They are definitely resisting that. Also, I feel this person desperately wants to talk to you. But before talking to you, they need to change their life. They need to open their heart, get rid of the third parties. And that's exactly what they can't do right now. So they are like stuck. What's happening in our viewers' person's life? The Sun. I feel they are trying to stay positive, that things will get better. I also feel like this person goes through mood swings. Like at times they are like, oh, I'm so happy and everything is great. And then at the other times they are like, I'm down in the dumps and I don't know what to do. So they have like these pendulum kind of swings in their mood. The Empress. Yeah, I also feel this person is maybe probably married for some of you, and could be expecting a baby or something like that. And that could be an issue. They want to be with you, but like they are married, so what do they do? Also, the mother could be an issue. Like they want to be with you, but maybe the family doesn't approve of this connection because of different religion, culture, or because of preferences. So they are kind of like, they don't know what to do. I also feel this person is trying to build themselves up, like, heal themselves in some way. They are trying to focus on their work, their career, their, broken heartedness. This Three of Swords, they are trying to recover from it. Six of Wands. Yeah, they are trying to be as successful as you are. They are also trying to, fix their life in ways which they understand. The Fool, they do want a new start with you. They often dream about this new start with you. What does this person think about our viewers? Eight of Cups. They miss you. They know that our viewers want to move away from this person. They do miss you, I feel, very strongly. It's like they always go back to the time you guys drifted apart. And they are like, what happened? I think this person has treated you poorly, friends. And this person knows that. The Queen of Pentacles, they could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or our viewers could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I do feel this person values you highly. They do respect you a lot, even though they don't know how to share that love and respect with you or to express it in words, but they do respect you a lot. And what else? Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So yeah, family is another problem in this connection. I do feel there are people who are telling your person not to be with you or not to talk, or like they are the reason this person could also be away from you. How does this person feel? Page of Pentacles, there could be an age gap between you and this person, or even a distance, physical, like you guys are in long distance. Hanged, this person is still missing you. They are still stuck on you. They are not over with you. Eight of Pentacles, they still read your messages. They go back, read your messages. They keep on trying to write a message to you and then they delete it. They are like, I don't know. I don't know. Should I send it? Should I not? Oh God, this person is all over the place. Seriously speaking, they are going through some big issues. What is this Three of Swords about? Let's clarify. In Q, Seven of Swords. This person has told you some lies. You caught them red-handed. This person has actually, you caught this person and you just know that. You caught this person. They have broken your heart. They may have, you have caught this person. They may have, I don't know. They could have said some lies to you. They could have blocked you, cheated on you. They know that. They absolutely know that. I think this person runs away when it comes to responsibilities. For some of you, this could be a person who was once a playboy or a playgirl. I don't want to say that. I usually don't say such words, but it can't be like this. They want to clear their act, but I feel this person, you had a big impact on this person. You changed their life. The way this person is. Page of Swords. Yeah, you really shown them the truth, like, hey, what are you doing? I think this person was a little fake or superficial before meeting you. But right after meeting you, they are like, oh my God, I'm head over heels in love. Also, they may have started this relationship like, okay, we'll date and see, or like something like that. But then they developed some real strong feelings for you and they wanted to marry you and something like that. But they kind of became cold feet and they ran away. So I see like you're a teacher for this person, really. Five of Pentacles, trust issues. This person has a lot of inferiority complex also. So how our viewers feel right now? Let's see about this connection. Milk. You feel like you are giving, but you don't get anything in back. You want nourishment. You want love, comfort from this person. This once was a comforting relationship. What does this person wants from this connection? Book. They want to understand you. They want to understand you. They want to tell you things which they have not said yet. Book is like, hey, I want to express my feelings. I want to tell you something. Rabbit, passion, absolutely. Because book, I felt like they want to open you and make love with you. So it's like they feel a lot of passion in this connection. Chicken, yeah, you also like this person. Like, hey, you're quite... This person and you both are very attractive to each other. So what else? Let's see. What else is happening in this connection? Let's see. How is this person, our viewer's person, feeling? What's going on? No. I think this person feels like this is not the right time to be together, or this is not the right time they can fix this situation or heal themselves, because there is too much going on in their life, too much on their plate. I feel this person is going through some real tough times and they are trying to be like protect you from it also in some way. No, wait, postpone, pause and say no. I think this person said no to you because they had other problems, like their family were not agreeing. Also, if this person said no to you, it was because they were going through a personal hell in their life, like they were going through some personal, bad health, depression, anxiety, some issues. and they kind of wanted to protect you from those things, and they kind of said no to you. Mirror, you mirror this person, they are scared to see you. They are really scared to see you because you are like exactly, what this person wants to be, and yet they don't want to be. Like, you are this person's teacher, friends. You have taught this person a lot. Inner temple, devotion, tune into the portal of your heart. Yes, you told this person, you reminded this person that don't be fake, don't be casual, be real, be who you are. And it is, I think your person really likes you because it is the inner temple, the temple of heart. So they do like you, but they are working on certain issues in their life. Let's see what is happening for you, our viewers. Okay, thank you. Akasha, your guidance is divinely guided. Yes, you felt like this was a guided person. You felt you were guided, you were meant to meet this person. Whatever happened was, whatever is happening in this relationship is also under divine plan, birthing a new age, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world. Yeah, you still feel like, some of you are trying to manifest a reunion with this person. Some of you are also trying to manifest a new love, a better person, someone more balanced relationship. Ladies, double mission, channeling, uplifting. Yeah, I do feel some of you could be star seeds. Or, you will be connecting to a very high vibrational, or you will be connecting to a good love, or very beautiful love in the future. And I think this person or this relationship kind of made you ready for it, or I don't know. I think this person, although they may not have behaved well, but this has made you ready for something big. The ever unfolding rose cracked open. It's happening for you, not for you. Yeah, I think this thing, whatever happened in this relationship, really connected you with what you really, really, truly want in your love life. And I think something big and beautiful is coming your way. Either a reunion with this person or a beautiful love is coming your way. Let us see what will happen in the future of this connection. What will happen in the future for this connection? Nurture, number 29. So that's beautiful. Wow, I do see, like, for some of you, there will be a reunion, and this person will come back healed and will help you to give all the love that you deserve. And whatever was left unsaid will be shared between you both. And let's see what else. Number 29 could be important. Divine love. Oh my God. So I do see there will be a divine love coming your way in the future. I do see that you guys will reunite, or there will be some sort of a patch up or healing will happen in this connection. 29, 31 are important for you. And what else? Healing grief, number 19. Yes, you guys are going to heal, friends. You are going to heal, and you are going to find this love, or some love. I feel for you, for 50% of you, you guys are going to find a new love, and you're going to heal from this person. And for 50%, other 50%, there will be a reunion. This person will heal the past issues and come back, and you guys will be in love. It's beautiful. Let's see what's happening spiritually and what will happen spiritually in this connection, because I feel there is a lot of spiritual lessons here. So yeah, let's see. So what's happening currently? What is your spiritual lesson? Let's see, our viewers. The word wants to be written. I think it's, I think it's time you write something that you need to talk to this person. You want to share something to this person. I think you also need to make a list of what you really, really want from a lover, because that's really going to help you. I see good changes coming your way. I think spiritually you are ready for new things. Focus on the light. See the good in this person or in this situation, because that's really important for you at the moment. Let's see the spiritual, what is happening spiritually for your person. You need to focus on the light, on the beautiful, positive things. Inner trust. Yeah, this person is going through hard times. They don't know where they will go, how it will all end. They are a mess, but they have trust that they will come out of it. And, be with you. Spirals of manifestation. I feel this person is trying to manifest you back in their life. Dream a beautiful dream. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at the energy in this card. Yeah, I do feel this person is trying to really, heal themselves and build a beautiful world or a future with you. And I think you both want the same things, Look at this. Isn't this, this light the same as this one? Isn't this sphere here? That's here. So you both are looking for the same future. So let's see some advice. What's the advice for our viewers in this connection right now? Voyage of the heart. Love flows through you and to you. Yeah, I feel this is a time you need to focus on your heart and yourself, friends. If there is any anger or resentment or any sort of sadness, I would suggest you to write it down and not focus too much on it, because you guys are in great energy and it's very important you focus on the light. Begin now, take your first step. Yes, for some of you it is perfect timing to start or move on to a new relationship. Some of you may already be doing that, and if yes, you are on the right path. Watching the clouds, lie back, rest and relax. For some of you, yes, if you are waiting for this person to come and message you, I would suggest that there is still some time there. You might have to wait a little, but success will come into your life. Success expands in your life. So yes, you will be successful. Rainbow blessings are showering in your life. You will be blessed, friends, with love. Love will be yours, no matter with this person or with a new person. Love is coming your way. So that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.